Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead Season 6, Episode 11. If you don't know it, I'm watching this show since a long time now. I'm gonna put the playlist if you want to see my reaction videos about it, about the last season and about this Season 6. I'm saying that because I want to talk with you about the differences between seasons and also the differences between the first half of this season and the second half of it. You know that I didn't like the Season 5. There are some good episodes, but they were not great, they were not amazing. There were good episodes and there were a lot of bad episodes. I said it, you know, at the end of the Season 5, you can keep, I think that it's the 2 or 3 last episodes of the Season 5, and that's okay. That the resume of, in fact, what happened during the season, not a lot of things happened during the Season 5, in fact. The interesting stuff and the good episodes are right at the end. And it's almost like I'm not considering the last episode of the Season 5 as a part of the Season 5, but as bonus episodes between seasons, or almost, you know, the beginning of the Season 6. Season 5 was bad for me, in my opinion, not because of the characters, which are great, which are well done, which are well developed, which are interesting and all. Not all of the ideas were bad, you know, even during the bad episodes they had good ideas, but they didn't know how to write them, and that was fucking annoying, frustrating for me to see that with good characters and some good ideas they couldn't do it well. They were pushing them too much, that was too obvious, that was too predictable, that was really, the lines were too much sometimes, the scenes were too much sometimes. Some episodes it was too pushed, too quick, too obvious, too predictable, like they were not subtitled at all. That was annoying and frustrating for me. The first half of this Season 6, I loved it. I was really like, that's it, we're back with Fear the Walking Dead. The characters, they have stories that they deserve, you know. Yes, you have good ideas and this time you are doing them well. I'm following you, I'm recognizing the DNA of the show, I'm recognizing this universe, you know, The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead. That's it. You're back on tracks and I love that, I fucking love that. That's it, you've got it. What was wrong during the Season 5, you worked on it and we're going on the good direction, I can feel it. That's it. So really, this Season 6, the first half of it, I was like, yes, 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 yes. I was right to not give up on this show. That's it. I love it again. And this second half of the season, do you think that I love it or not? Yes, I love it. You know, I made myself that thought when I was editing the last reaction video about the last episode. Since the return of the show, I have to divide my reaction videos about these new episodes in 2 parts because I have too many things to keep, too many thoughts, reactions, all of that. That's a good sign. With me, that's a good sign. It means that the show is making me react a lot, but also is making me think a lot. I have a lot of theories, I have a lot of things that I want to say. That's a good sign, for sure. But it's also the fact that for now, for the return, you know, the second half of this season, they really made long episodes for 1 or 2 characters at a time, and they went really deep with them, with their psychologies, with their character. You know who they are and all. Of course I'm thinking about the episode about John, of course I'm thinking about the episode with Virginia, even if you know that I didn't appreciate how they did it. For Virginia's part, for all of our guys' part, it was great, it was logical, it was fitting with these characters, it was making them evolve and all, but for Virginia's part, they fall again into that trap that they have to go too quick, too much into one direction and to try to earn something in just one episode. They don't know what to do with this character anymore, so that's it, they are moving on. That thing, you know, reminded me a little of the season 5, what I did not appreciate during the season 5, but still, that was a good episode for all of the other ones' part and for the story, you know, for this change into the story, that was good. And the last episode about Daniel was really good. I think that some people didn't like it. They found it weird and a little slow. I think that I read stuff like that. That's not my opinion, because you know my opinion. I said it a lot, maybe too much, in the review of the last episode. I don't think that Daniel is going crazy at all. Maybe because I love too much this character, maybe because I trust him too much, but for me he's not going crazy, and I have reasons, you know, logical reasons to think that. You know, the reasons that they are giving to us to tell us that this character is going crazy. It's okay what he did to Sand and all, but that, you know, in fact is logical with the character, with what we know about Daniel. It's not shocking me. What can be really reasons to doubt about him, it's what happened with the weapons and also with what happened with Grace. What happened with the weapons, we don't have the proof that Daniel did it. Like, the weapons disappeared, he had the keys, and you found the weapons into his place. Come on! Please, give him more credit than that to hide the weapons at his own place, and come on, that's obvious that this is a fucking trap, you know, to discredit him. No, I'm not gonna fall into that trap, that's too obvious, that's too... no, I don't believe so. And how he could have done it all alone, moving all of these weapons. He was around the table, you know, during the explosion diversion, so he couldn't do it during that moment. No, I don't believe so. The other reason is what happened with Grace. For that, we didn't see the map before she went, and she and Charlie are the ones saying that he gave them the wrong direction. That's a human, you know, reason. If I think that Daniel is telling the truth, I have to say that Charlie and Grace are lying. Would it be possible for them to lie? We're not gonna talk about the why now, but would it be possible? Yes. Grace, she had access to the keys through Morgan. She was not around the table, you know, during the explosion moment. Would have given the keys to these villains, you know, new villains of the show, for them to steal the weapons. So the thing now is why they would have lied. Grace, you know that since a long time, even before the episode about Daniel, I wanted an episode about her, about what happened to her during all of the time that she was in Virginia's chair. Maybe something happened during that moment. Maybe now what I think is the fact that maybe she was approached by this man, these new villains, to do something against Virginia, but now to do also something against our guys. For what reasons she would have accepted, I don't know now, but I think that something happened when she was in jail and she was approached by this man, and that's why she did that right there. Charlie, why she would have followed Grace, you know, into her lie, for now, I don't know, but I think that she lied because at the end of the last episode, I had the impression that she was feeling guilty about Daniel, you know, escaping, going somewhere else. She was, you know, feeling guilty, she was not looking at him really into the eyes, and she felt also relieved when she saw that he was going with Strand, like, okay, you're not with us, that was the plan, but at least you're with them, you're safe. I don't know, maybe I'm going too far with that interpretation, which is just about the looks, you know, their attitudes, but I think so. I think that Daniel is not going crazy at all, that was a trap, and my principal suspect for now is Grace. She had access to the keys, she is the one saying that Daniel lied, you know, didn't say that, is going crazy. So if I believe Daniel, I don't believe Grace, she's lying, she's the rat, you know. And Charlie is following her, for what reason I don't know, but she's following her. And what reason Grace had, something that happened during all of this moment that she was not with us, because there is a big gap, you know, in Grace's story now. All of that time that she was in jail, so many things could have happened during that time, and I was seeing that since a long time, even before this episode about Daniel. So that's why, you know, the fact that I'm suspecting Grace is going also with what I suspected for her before that. I'm not sure that we're gonna have the answer about that during this episode. It would be too easy. I think that they're gonna keep that for the end, you know, maybe as a big reveal, as a big surprise. So not during this episode. I think that during this episode we're gonna be with one or two characters. It would be great, you know, to have an episode maybe with Dwight, or maybe with Cherry, with Alicia also. Alicia disappeared during the last episode, she was somewhere else, so maybe it could be interesting to be with Strand also. One episode about Strand would be interesting. You know, I think that it's gonna be something like that. We're gonna be with another character, not into that place and all. We can't continue the story right there. We were right there into that place for 2 episodes now. We need to see something else, someone else. So yes, I'm voting for maybe Strand, Alicia, Dwight no, because he's into that place. And I'm gonna see that right now. Let's go for this episode 11. Again, if you want, I have a Patreon on which I'm posting extended reaction part. If you can be interested by that, go check the description. Let's go! Aha! We're gonna be with your brother.
That they went underground.
We're gonna be with these guys.
Everything's winding down, including us. Death is inevitable. It's simply
You're using deaths for compost?
If they truly look with open eyes, they would see life. But it's not their fault. They don't know.
I don't like that kind of speech, you know, that kind of this is the truth, my friends.
They don't. We can see. They can't.
See? Oh, one day you're gonna see our truth. Because we have the truth. Another cult ready. Oh! Hello!
Welcome to the holding. I think you're gonna like it here. I'm sure this is the best thing I was talking about.
And that's it. That was a cult since the beginning. I'm less interested.
Why are you recording?
For Teddy. He's the reason we're all here.
The leader of this
Here now.
cult.
His presence is always with us.
He's dead.
No outsiders are allowed to carry down here. We learned that lesson the hard way. So what were you doing on the road?
Scavenging, you know. Somebody.
Okay, you're lying about your intentions. He wants to know your dirty little secrets.
How the hell can you see the truth?
I was in a place like this once before.
Because there is no place like this. Because there's never been a place like this.
People who think that they have the entire truth and that what they're thinking is wrong. Do we like that?
A couple months.
It's safe. Deep through the grocery list.
This is how all living creatures have been decomposed in one.
Okay, but is it really moral?
Dead. Closing up the door soon. We're good.
You're gonna...
So we never have to go topside again. This is where life will begin again.
Do you understand the things about
Yeah, questions. Come on, you got
babies made between people who are in a closed space for generation?
There's one question.
Ew.
Can you see?
The light, the truth.
What do you see?
You're joking, right?
I'm gonna roll my eyes during all of this episode.
The walker that should be in the ground.
Anything else?
Life, can't you see?
It's okay. Nobody
That
gets
is
nothing.
bringing life with these plants around him, growing.
So look into your eyes and you will see the truth. He sees it in a way no one else can. Even you.
This guru leader is already annoying me.
I'm just trying to gauge how much you have left to learn.
How much they have to brainwash you?
We like skeptics.
What's that?
Because when we win you over, it means that you're a true believer.
Nah, when they break you.
What did you paint? All kinds of things. I started out copying my brother.
You think that it's your brother who painted that?
His name was Nick. Well, my brother was my best friend.
I wanted to be just like him.
Fuck you for using their
That's the
family.
dilemma. Each generation gives way to the next.
My mom, she
Might be still alive. That's what the fans want.
gave her life so we could live.
Her end was your beginning. It's time for you to meet Teddy. Come on.
Do we want to?
Where's Teddy?
It's not obvious.
Be back later.
It's your brother.
That's Derek.
Oh fuck. Oh. Oh boys. It's sweet. But it's gonna be an issue.
Eaters were clawing at the wood on top of me. I tried to get out. It was too heavy out. But when I woke up, I was here. Why you been looking for me? I did, but you were gone. I was trying to help people see what I see. What is that? You were taking those messages on Tree. It didn't really mean anything. Teddy, you helped me see that. What I'm doing here, it means something.
Okay. You're too much into that bullshit. Who are you if you are not my sheep? Really? He's saying that so obviously.
What about Tanktown? What they did to everyone? What they did to you?
There's no way you do something like that.
To you, no.
When
But
people are
to...
desperate, they start believing in things.
Mhm.
They start doing things they never thought they would.
Mhm. I'm not sure that we can make him switch back, you know. I'm not saying that our guys, they have the truth. Everyone has his or own truth. But the ones who are thinking that they have the truth, they are wrong. That's what I mean.
Maybe they were trying to take her out just like we would, or maybe Virginia was just trying to make us paranoid. For a while, we used to not know if it's day or night. The food makes up for it?
I couldn't live like that, you know, without seeing the sky.
What is it? Nothing. Just gotta go topside for a bit.
For the timing, it could be for the explosion moment, you know.
Come on, come back anytime.
Trust your instinct.
Something I shouldn't have. Yeah, I was afraid.
Ooh, yes.
These coordinates. Let's take it. Maybe if we can try. Other sentiments too. I'm not saying Derek knew you were there, but he knew what you were doing.
But why? Because you're the only one with the truth.
Yeah, but you're not here.
He's not gonna follow you.
Did what? Those places. You set up the attacks on them. Won't understand.
Just try
I'm
me.
ready. Well, not. I told you. Because you can't see. We have to start over. And we can't do that till everyone and everything up there is gone.
Really?
Said include me. I hate shrapnel. Never felt such pain in my life.
You want to kill people because you think that you are the ones who can begin everything.
You would have killed those people.
You know, the
That's what
elites.
Teddy wants. Now, I don't give a damn about what Teddy wants. People die, damn it. I know you. I know you. And this, it ain't you. They're about how we used to live. This is how I want to live now.
Under the ground, without seeing the sky, adoring a guru is not letting you think what you want to think.
Morgan Jones, the guy who started it, I think you like him. He helped us figure it out.
Why did you say his name?
Where is it? Lost.
Don't say anything
You're
else.
so lost, I know you probably won't come with me. I'm your brother. Alright, you just gotta trust me, man. If they catch me trying to leave, they'll kill me.
Ah! Please follow him for real. This is not a bluff or something like that.